Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. Excuse the noise of the rain yet again, but quick unboxing video. It's not plants. It was preempted by the video I did on tidying up the Sarracenias. So we discussed potting on and all that sort of stuff. Well, to do those sorts of things you need pots. So I went straight out and ordered some. Not quite sure how this box has been done. Securely sealed. I think it's straight down the middle. Get out of the way of the scissors. See what I mean about being careful with scissors? If that slipped, that is heading straight for me. Not anymore, it's going out sideways. Right, so I ordered these. And these are effectively the half litre size, 20 for just a few pounds. They're not superbly strong, but they're plenty strong enough for things to grow on. So that will allow me to change the round pots into square pots so that they tighten up in the tray nicely and the wind's less likely to blow them over. So that's all it is. You've currently got a video that I've not long loaded prior to it raining on the gardening and bonsai channel. That will also be loaded here on the orchid channel. I keep them both in line. But I'll do that later this evening. It's obviously going to get a lot more views on the orchid channel, but it's basically an update on the garden after the tidy up that Hannah and I did. So it's just to sort of look around the garden to see how things are sort of starting to come into growth, and the work that we did back at the weekend, a bit of a tidy up. It's mainly getting rid of the leaves. But that video will post later this evening on this channel. It's already on the gardening channel, as I said, so you can pop across there and see it if you like. The link is in the description. And this, strictly speaking, I suppose should have been a gardening video because these are plants that live in the garden. But when I pot them on, I think I will actually bring them in here for a month or so. To give them that extra shelter to allow them to get established better before they go back outside. The Sarracenias won't do as well in here as they will out where they get some sunshine. They do actually like sunshine, even though they look like shade-loving tropical plants. They're not. They're bulk plants. They're used to being right out in the open, in full sun. But just to let their roots establish and everything, I'll keep them in here for a while. Any that I pot on, and any that I split up, obviously would go in smaller pots as well. So it just gives me some choices. It might actually, some of these might actually get used for some of the Deesas at some point as well. If I split a pot up to pass on to other people, perhaps, you know, with just a few plants in each pot. So they'll get used. It's a funny looking black, isn't it? They were definitely sold as black. That looks like a very dark grey to me rather than black. The colour is irrelevant, it doesn't matter. I didn't want terracotta pots because they really do stand out, but anything that's dark makes the plant stand out rather than the pot being garish, if you know what I mean. So there we go, that was it, just a quick one. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.